Hello everyone and welcome to Game 2 of the LHL Finals. Now the numbers speak for themselves this game. In the last game, here are the numbers. The numbers do speak for themselves. Game 1, there were about 14,350 fans, which is about 70% Kansas City fans, and 6,150 fans, which is about 30% Saskatoon fans. This game, it's a little different. There are around 12,300, which is about 60% Saskatoon fans, and 8,200, which is about 40% Kansas City fans, so it's a little bit different. Next game, if Saskatoon wins, Kansas City is going to wear their alternates in Game 3. If Kansas City wins, this series is over. Opening showtime. It's not that dark because it's morning. It's not too terribly dark. Coming all the way from Saskatoon, freezing cold and ready to pounce. The team that's the underdogs. The team that is living the dream. Your 2018 Saskatoon Blizzard. And from the stormy Kansas City, from fresh meat to top dogs, the team that is looking for a sweep, the 2018 Kansas City Thunder. There you go, your finals teams, the Saskatoon Blizzard and Kansas City Thunder. Intro wasn't terrible. It was a little bad, but I mean, my intros are pretty cringy. Have to admit, they're pretty cringy. Jake Allen remains in net for Saskatoon, and actually, wait a second. Are they taking him out? Oh no, they're not. They're leaving him in, but I hear if Jake Allen allows 3 goals, they're taking him out. If Jake Allen allows 3 goals in a row once, they're taking him out. Okay, that's a little complicated, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, it was a bit of a frustration for Saskatoon yesterday as we get underway. They win the draw. Agazino scores! 5 seconds into the game, and Saskatoon is already up 1-0. Rodor already off to a rough start. Here's the draw. Looks around. No, it's a giveaway to Thompson. The shot. Stopped off by Rodor. Now this is going to be St. Louis over to Kovalchuk. He's going to fire one that's blocked off by Megan. Now Thompson, no, gave it to Megan. Megan's got it across. Save again. Rebound. Agazino gave it right to St. Louis, and the net comes off. The nets come off a lot. Especially in these championship games. Here's the shot. They score! Agazino again. It's 2-0. Here's the draw. They score! That might be it for Martin Brodeur. And yes, it definitely is. We're 29 seconds into the game, and it's 3-0. 3-0. So Dominic Hasek comes into the game, his first ever championship series start, his first ever playoff game, after Brodeur allowed 3 goals in 29 seconds, a disastrous start. So Dominic Hasek comes into the game. He was in the game against Saskatoon, and it was Game 5. He backstopped Kansas City to a 9-8 overtime win. He shoots, save again. Rebound, save there for Jake Allen. Now it's going to give away to Paul Thompson. Firing when he scores! 4-0. Already it's 4-0. Here's the draw. Back. This is the shot. No, gave it away. Here's a try that stopped. Still 4-0. This is the pass up. Here's Megan. Megan firing. Save again for Hasek. Now this is going to be his shot by Kovalchuk. It's not going to go. Rebound St. Louis. Got it over to Makita. Firing. Save again for Jake Allen. Allen is going to give it out to Megan. He fires. Save for Hasek. Kansas City getting destroyed. It's 4-0. Here's the shot. Save. This is going to be Kovalchuk firing. Not going to go. Rebound. Save again for Jake Allen. And that shot for Agazino, and he scores. 5-0. And it was 5-0 within late in the third period on Tuesday. Now it's 5-0 here in the first. Now here's the draw. Kovalchuk's got it. Fires one. Save again for Allen. Rebound. No goal. And now this is going to be back in. Agazino wide of the cage. The pass across. This is Kovalchuk. No, it's a giveaway to Thompson. Save again for Hasek. He's having a rough game too. He's already allowed 2 goals. Given away. And now that one's going to be given over to St. Louis. Save again for Allen. This is going to be Thompson. Waits. Fires. It went wide. Now this is going to be Stan Mikita. Shooting. Save again. Rebound. It's blocked. Has to fire. Save again for Allen. And out of play as the period comes to an end. With Saskatoon up 5-0. I totally thought this game would be better than the last game. But it's already 5-0 Saskatoon. And it's only the beginning of period 2. So let's get started. Here's the face-off. Goes to Kansas City. Thompson. Oh no, that one went to Saskatoon. Sorry. Ilya Kovalchuk. No, he gave it to St. Louis. Fires. Save again for Allen. Now here's the pass. Agazino, no. Rebound. Can't get it. Now it's back across. Gave it right to Brodeur. St. Louis firing. Save again for Wade Megan. Now Agazino gives it up to Thompson. He couldn't get the shot. Rebound. Save again for Dominic Hasek. He's doing better now. Makita can't get it. Agazino shoots wide. And now it's a giveaway to Thompson. He can't get the shot. Rebound. And it bounces out of play. And I don't even know how I could do that. Here's the face-off back. Here's the shot by Kovalchuk. Can't get it through. Rebound. St. Louis can't get it by. This is Kovalchuk. Another try. Scores! Ilya Kovalchuk finally gets Kansas City on the board. 1-0. Or 5-1. Here's the shot. Can't get it. Now it's going to be back in. Here's the shot for Agazino. It went wide. Thinking at the post on the way. Shot by Thompson. Can't get it. Here's the shot there for Kovalchuk. Can't get it by. And this is going to be Agazino firing. Save again for Dominic Hasek. And now this is going back. St. Louis firing. Save. Rebound. It's blocked. Now here's another try. Went wide. Now it's a giveaway there. Can't get it. This is going to be St. Louis shooting. Save again. It's going to go to Paul Thompson. Here's the shot. Save there for Dominic Hasek. 30 seconds left. Shooting. Save again. This is going to be Wade Megan. Wide. It would have went wide. Kovalchuk. Save again. This is going to be Thompson. No, gave it to Agazino. Up to Megan. Firing. Save. And it went out of play. Still 5-1. Kansas City looking to start an incredible comeback. Thompson can't get it. Rebound. Goes right to Kovalchuk. Firing. Can't get it. Here's a shot there. Rebound for Thompson. He interferes. That's going to be a penalty. He's going to get a penalty. Thompson's going to go for interference. And it's a minor penalty. So it's the first championship power play, I'm pretty sure. Or maybe there was one in the last game and I just don't remember. It's going to last to 1 minute and 7 seconds of the third. This power play is going to carry over to the third period. We'll be right back. We are back. Paul Thompson has swapped penalty boxes and we are ready to start period 3. Here's the face-off back. This is going to go back. St. Louis fires. I don't think that went in. Didn't look like it. Kovalchuk now save. Rebound. Save again for Jake Allen. Oh, it's a giveaway now. Here's the shot for Kovalchuk. Can't get a rebound. They score. Ilya Kovalchuk. And it's 5-2. All they need is 5 more goals. It could all they need is 3 more goals. It could happen. With 1:43 seconds left and it's period 3. No. Nikita, interference call. That's going to be interference, and that's pretty much going to do it for this game. Kansas City's going to go shorthanded. So they're going to be without their center. Here's the face-off back. Here's the shot save. This is going to be St. Louis now shooting one, and it's in their own goal. 6-2. It's a power play goal. Now Kansas City is back to within 4. Saskatoon puts it back to within 4. Here's the shot. Save again. Now St. Louis is going to have to fire. It went wide. This is going to be Andrew Agazzino shooting. Can't get it. Rebound. Save again. Now this is going to be back. Makita firing. Save for Jake Allen. Now this is Paul Thompson shooting. Save. This is Makita giving it to St. Louis. Firing. Save again. Agazzino went wide. That's pretty much it. It's too late for Kansas City. Save again. This is going to be St. Louis. Back in for Kovalchuk. 1 minute left. It's too late for Kansas City. Thompson firing. It was stopped. It was blocked off by Stan Mikita. Now Kovalchuk firing. Save again. They've only been able to get 2 goals all game. Thompson save. Rebound went wide. Kansas City's going to need an incredible comeback. St. Louis save for Jake Allen. Agazzino can't get it by. Here's the shot. Can't get it through. Pass up. No, it's a giveaway again. And the scoreboard shut off. Agazzino shooting. Save again. Now this is Kovalchuk. Tipped out of play. It's like everything's going in Saskatoon's favor. 28 seconds left. Agazzino shooting. Save again. Rebound. Hit the post. Another try that was wide. Now St. Louis finally scores. But it's too late. They need 3 more goals, and it's 18 seconds remaining. Makita shoots, save again. Agazzino scores. That'll put it away. 7-3. Both games have been garbage. Now this is going to be a shot for St. Louis. Save again for Jake Allen. Now here's a shot for Agazzino. Can't get it. The 12,300 Saskatoon fans going crazy. But another goal is allowed. It's 7-4. Faceoff goes to Kansas City, has to shoot, can't get it, and Saskatoon has tied the series. The 12,300 Saskatoon fans are rocking, and all 8,200 Kansas City fans have pretty much left the game. Kansas City loses by 3 goals, 7-4. So now they're going to need a game 3 on Saturday. So now Kansas City is going to have a shot at a 2-1 series win tomorrow. Or on Saturday. And Kansas City will wear their alternates. Tonight was just a struggle. This night was a struggle from the start. Kansas City couldn't generate much. They were only able to generate 1 goal in 2 periods. And it was just a tough night for Kansas City.